Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Alrighty, guys. Time for math. Time for math. I haven't been able to send quite as many videos as I was wanting to, primarily because they're taking too long to upload for me out here. I tell you, I keep having to shorten them and shorten them, and it's not working very well. So, I'm trying this one again. See if I can do it. Make it a little shorter, my hope is. We'll find out. Alrighty, guys, so for today's math, it's going to be a little bit different. More because we're just going to kind of do some review stuff. I want to make sure that you're getting this information and that you're secure and you're strong with this, okay? Your assignment today is going to be to do your fluency sheet. It is not timed. It is going to be one, you'll just do all of the problems that there are, and then mom or dad will either grade it and look it over and tell you if you missed any, or you can send a picture to me and I will do that. But then I want you to use that sheet to study. I want you to study it, and I want you to keep trying to learn those so where you can answer really, really fast. So mom and dad can ask you while you're eating your peanut butter and jelly, they can say, Owen, what's 3 plus 2? And you can go, 5, just like that. Or when you're cleaning your room, Miss Maya, and your mom says, what's 4 plus 2? You can go, 6. That way you know the answers very, very fast. Okay, guys? Alrighty, so this will just be a little bit of a review as far as what we are learning today. But I want to make sure that we've got this. Okay, so I want you to tell your mom, your dad, your ceiling, your floor, tell them something you know about this shape. First of all, tell it what is its name. Triangle. Okay, now tell me something you know about it. What do you know about him? Oh, excellent. He has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Okay, what else do we know about him? I heard pointies, I heard squares, I heard corners. Good job, he does. He has 3 corners. I'm going to say the wrong word. He has 3 corners. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. Good job, guys. And his name is a triangle. You're right. Okay, so that was to warm you up. That was just to warm you up. All right. What about this guy? What do we know about him? First of all, what's his name? Rectangle. What do we know about him? How many sides does he have? I'll let you count them real fast. Yes, he's got 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are special about his sides? What do we know are kind of different about his sides? His sides. Yes, he has 2 short guys. Short on each end. And then he has 2 long sides. Long. At the top and at the bottom. You got it. He has 4 sides, but 2 are short and 2 are longer. That's how we know he is a rectangle. Okay, what else do we know about him? He has 4 corners. Now, here comes the tricky part. What do we call his corners? His corners are nice and strong. So what do we call them? They are nice and strong. We call them a square corner. You got it. He has 4 square corners. Okay. Last guy. And you know I'm going to want to hear your voice. You know that I'm going to need to hear it. What do we know about this guy? What do we know about him? How many sides does he have? 4. What's his name? Square. What's special about him? What do the squares get to belong to that nobody else gets to belong to? The Triple S Club. Why does he get to go to the Triple S Club and nobody else gets to go to the Triple S Club? Why is a square part of the Triple S Club but nobody else is? You got it. Because his sides are the same size. You got it. Oh, you can't even see that. Goodness gracious. There we go. Because his sides are the same size. You got it. That's why he is special and he gets to belong to that club and the others do not. Okay, what about his corners? What do we call his corners? Square corners. They are square corners. They are nice and strong. They have that straight and that straight. They are nice and strong. And he also has 4 sides. Good job, guys. Good job. Alrighty, so just because it's been a little while, and I don't want us to forget it, I want you to tell Mom or Dad what time this clock says. 5 o'clock. Good job. Good job. Okay, now I want you to tell Mom or Dad, what do we call this blue hand here, this blue arm? He's the long one. What do we know about those? I'll put those up here so that we can remember. Which word is the longer word? Minute. He gets the long arm. And then our short arm is our short word. Hour. You got it. So that means that the blue long arm is the minute arm. And that means our red short one is the hour. Okay. If it's pointing straight up, we call that o'clock. You got it. We call that o'clock. If the minute hand is straight up and down, we call it o'clock. So this one's 5 o'clock. Ooh, I'm going to try to get you. Now I'm pointing straight down. What do we call that when the minute hand is pointing straight down to that 6? We call that the 30. You got it. The dirty 30. This one says, so then what time is it? Is he there at 6 yet? Ooh, he's trying to sneak there. But is he there yet? No. So we are still at 5:30. All right, guys. Let's see about this one. Ooh, where's it going to land? What time does that say? 9:30. You got it. How about this one? What does that say? 7 o'clock. Good job, guys. Good job. Yes, minute hand straight up. We say that's o'clock. Just like we're at church, we're that old lady. You remember. And if it's pointing straight down, it's pointing to the dirt. It's the dirty 30. And it is 7:30. Okay, good job, guys. Good job. Alrighty, so, yes, for today, you just have your fluency paper, but it is not timed. You need to do all of those problems today. There's quite a few of them. You need to do all of them. And then after Mom or Dad or me, if one of us will check them, then you can keep practicing them. You want to practice those so they become automatic and so we don't have to use our fingers quite as much. Makes it a little bit faster, okay? So that's what I want you to do today. Next, I'm going to try another one tomorrow if it's not too busy with the other things. But tomorrow, hopefully, we'll be able to do a wrap-up and kind of review as well. If not, I wanted to get it in today. And we will talk some more next week. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye.